Winter is now upon us, and that means lots of rainy days on the Sunshine Coast. We're still out riding, but looking back at the summer now, we sure did have fun. Sunshine and blue skies. Well, I can't say 2020 was a normal year, but having a motorcycle through it sure did help. I want to wish everyone an adventurous and healthy 2021. Safe travels, everyone.
Close your eyes. What do you hear?
I hear the water. I hear the birds.
Do you hear your own heartbeat?
No.
Do you hear the grasshopper, which is at your feet?